Can you imagine a predator so powerful it can swallow a deer whole? Burmese pythons in Florida are doing just that, and it's changing everything. Originally from Southeast Asia, these invasive snakes have decimated local wildlife, including foxes, bobcats, and raccoons. Their secret weapon? An extraordinary gape, allowing them to consume prey once thought impossible, like deer and alligators. Dr. Bruce Jayne's research reveals that these pythons can open their mouths wider than previously believed, with gapes reaching up to 10.2 inches in diameter. This seemingly small increase translates to a 40% larger gape area, enabling them to tackle prey far beyond their size. In one shocking instance, a python was found consuming a 77-pound deer, 2/3 of its body mass. Their unfused lower jaw and stretchy skin allow them to swallow animals up to 6 times larger than other snakes their size. The Conservancy of Southwest Florida has removed over 770 large pythons, weighing more than 33,000 pounds, to protect native wildlife. Despite these efforts, the pythons continue to spread, posing a significant threat to the greater Everglades ecosystem. As these apex predators expand their territory, the urgent need to monitor and manage their population has never been clearer. The battle to save Florida's wildlife is on.